Hey everyone, thanks for joining us here on Crooked Row. I'm Chris, and today we're going to be talking about survival food. So this is what it's about, and this is ultimately why we do all this, when we have this garden and raise the animals and stuff. But today we're going to be talking about Jerusalem artichokes. Jerusalem artichokes are wonderful. It's a great plant to have on your farm, your homestead, your property, wherever you're able to grow your food. The artichokes are a terrific food, especially for a survival situation. They are very prolific, and they can grow with very little maintenance or even care that you give to them. So we have some that we planted in the area that I'm going to show you here in just a minute. It's a small 5x5 plot, and really we haven't even planted in it for the past couple of years. So you can leave them in the ground, and they just kind of grow back. They're very prolific. They grow like daffodils. They grow underground and just keep multiplying. So now when you harvest the artichokes, they're a little bit like radishes, or maybe like potatoes, although the potatoes you're not going to want to eat raw out of the ground. The artichokes, you're able to eat those once you pick them up out of the ground. Just kind of brush the dust off the artichokes, and of course we wash ours, but once you do that, you can eat it raw, and yeah, it's a little bit like a radish when you take a bite of it. You could say like a potato, but it's less starch, and so these things just keep multiplying, very little maintenance, and so it makes a great survival crop that you are able to eat. So come along with me, and I'll show you a little bit of the harvest that we got. Okay, so you saw the harvest that we did there, harvesting the plants, and so we were digging this up, and this area really, as I mentioned earlier, we didn't plant it this past year, so everything that was growing has been there for the past couple of years, and so some of the artichokes actually get a pretty good size, and one that I pulled up is like this here, or another one. So you actually get a pretty good bit, and so you can chop these up and use these in salads. You can eat them raw, or there's different ways to fix them. Lots of recipes you can get online. But we actually got, and I didn't end up finishing all the artichokes. There's still some in there. I just ran out of time, but we already got a little bit over half a bucket. So that was a pretty good harvest just for the stuff here that's been going, the past couple of years kind of itself. And then we have more up in the garden where we had rows that are planted. And so we've got a lot more to go. Great survival food to be able to have and to eat, nutritious, just really good for you. So if I can grow and harvest great survival food, anybody can. Thanks. Bye.